myself Sachin. Coming to our team members is Nandish, Prajwal, Kiran Goda DP. We are studying mechanical engineering in Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Kumrugur. Coming to our final year project, it is a non-bio-recycling plastic water bottle using crusher. Now coming to the parts of this machine, we have a hooper where plastic is inputted in it. We have a connecting rod with a shaft of blades, where if we input a plastic, it will be crushed and sent to the disposal. Now we have a water tank where water is stored, and we have a pump inside where water is pumped to the consumer as they input the plastic bottle. Coming to the microcontroller, this is a microcontroller board. We have a relay switches and a IR sensor. If plastic is implemented in the hopper, it sends us, and water is inputted for the consumer. We can set the time according to it. If consumer wants less water, we can set to the 20-second timings. If they need more water, we can set to 40-second timings. Now coming to the motor, it is a 1 HP motor which produces 1040 RPM of speed. We have a big sprocket and a small sprocket which connected to the chain. We have a connecting rod where it functions the connecting rod inside where hooper is crushed. This is the simple parts of this machine. Now coming to the working of this model, let me give a brief example. If you are there in a railway station or a bus station, you take a half liter of plastic water bottle. After drinking, you will throw here by there. Instead of that, if you put the plastic bottle into this hooper, let me demo. As you can see, the plastic bottle which was inputted is crushed and it is disposed. You can see the large mass of plastic bottle is converted into the small, which can be easily disposed anywhere. Now coming to the overall working of this machine, now the plastic water is inputted to the drop to the hopper. Now IR sensor senses the bottle around, and clean water is disposed to the bottle, where consumer can drink the water, and plastic can be recycled easily. As you can see, fresh water is disposed to the bottle, which consumer or a customer can drink the water. This model mainly can be implemented in railway station, bus station and school where high number of plastics are disposed. The model may help for rural people as they face lot of drinking water crisis, where purified water can be used. As you can see, municipal zones where government has implemented, it can be implemented as they have been implemented. This was the brief outcome of this project. Thank you.